I am in shock, guys. This can't be real. Twin, where have you been? You guys, the hype is real, and I can't believe I am just now hopping on this train. I have been seeing this all over TikTok. Just look at this. And I said, let me try it out for myself. I gotta see if the hype is real. And guess what? It is. Are we looking at this? Y'all, the perfect blowout in a second. Let's try it with more hair. You're supposed to do it on dry hair, dry, clean hair. I just washed my hair, so I was like, this is the perfect time. I wanted to get my real reaction. Oh my gosh, that is literally one swipe. You do feel a little bit of like friction while going down, but that's how it's, you know it's working. Like, that's good. Oh my gosh. So there's no air coming out of this. It's just a heated brush. And it just makes it so easy. Wow. It's truly so easy and done so fast. Look. So beautiful. So much shine. Wow. And you can give it more curl if you want. Look at this. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, can we talk about the shine and no frizz at all? I just finished the first half. Let's bring down the top. Okay, this is what the untouched part of my hair looks like, so y'all see the before. Let's start with my roots. Oh, my bad. Oh my gosh. Just look at this volume. I look like I just got a blowout. Okay, so you always want to brush away from your face, whether you're doing a blowout, curls, whatever it is. That way the volume goes away from your face. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Like, I'm so obsessed. So since this is the top of my hair, I want the most volume. So I do definitely focus extra on the roots here. I try to get as close as possible, and then I go in. That way it could really give me the blowout effect. All right, so this is the side that I already did, and then this side I have not touched. Look at the difference. Frizz all over the place, and then volume, shine, and no frizz. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna show y'all the end result. Guys, now that I'm finishing, I just figured out how to make it even curlier. So instead of pulling it out, that straightens it, you just go like this. And look at how curly it is. I'm obsessed. All right, let's flip the hair. No way. No. TikTok shop, you did it again. If you want that blowout look, I literally did this, I kid you not, in 5 minutes. So fast, so easy, no frizz, beautiful. I recommend. 100 out of 10. I mean, just wow. Wow. Let's take my hair from But as y'all can see, this hairstyle, look at the back. It hurts. Do y'all know how many bobby pins I have on my hair? I don't know either, but we're about to take them out and find out how many there's in there. I feel like there's at least 30 in my head. I don't know. What do y'all think? Guys, I don't even know where to start. Like, look at this. I've never had a hairstyle like this before. This is crazy. I need help. Okay, here we go. What is this? This hairstyle took 2 hours. How long do we think it's gonna take to take it all out? Okay. Ow. Can we talk about this? I feel like that could literally crack off my head. I'm not doing that again. Oh, there's a big one. As big as my face. I think I managed to take out all the bobby pins. Look at how my hair looks right now. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is just a couple. Good night. I spent $300 buying Beyonce's new hair care line, Sacred. And I'm gonna show y'all how I took my hair from this to this. I have been waiting for this drop. I know Beyonce does not play. I was like, I need to buy it all. I bought it myself. This is not a PR package. Here you can see everything I bought. I don't know if that's all supposed to be used together or what, but let's just see what we can use today.
Anything like this before, and it's revolutionary.
It took 6 years of trial.
I'm excited. That's all I needed to hear. These are all the products. Let's talk about this beautiful packaging. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, let's open it. I've applied it all over my hair, so we're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. Look at how nice they look in my shower. This is something I would literally use as decoration. Once I rinsed off the hair mask, I went in with the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. I did this step twice, just like they recommended. Then I applied the moisturizing deep conditioner and left it on for 10 minutes. Wow, my hair smells so good. It's so shiny, and I swear my scalp feels brand new. Now the nourishing hair oil on the tips and the moisture sealing lotion. Wow, my hair is sleek, it is smooth, it is shiny. Honestly, it's never looked better. Finally got the viral TikTok heatless waves. I do have my doubts though because I have long, thick hair. If this works, I'm gonna be very impressed. Start off with adding volumizing spray to my hair. All right, make sure your hair is damp and parted down the middle. I'm excited. And then use this clip it comes with. Here we go. All right, you guys, this is super simple. You literally grab your hair and you keep twisting it around, and then you just add to the hair and keep on twisting all the way up until you use all of your hair. I actually love this because compared to the other heatless waves, it didn't give me a headache. It didn't feel like I had anything on my head. Y'all know your girl got a lot of hair and it's thick. So if this really works, I'm gonna be impressed. And well, just keep on repeating. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. I'm gonna add some hairspray just to really hold it all together. If this really works, I'm gonna be so excited because it was so easy and it's heatless. Like for part 2 to see the results.
Get ready with me for a Lakers versus Clippers game. Still not sure what team I'm rooting for.
I'm so excited, you guys, because this is my first Lakers and Clippers game ever. Y'all know I grew up in Atlanta, so I've never even been to any sports game here in LA. Well, I'm not some crazy like sports fan or anything, and since they're both LA, I really didn't know who to root for, but my manager is a crazy sports fan. Well, to be honest, I've always heard of like the Lakers because of like Kobe Bryant, Shaquille O'Neal, you know the vibes. So I was just gonna like dress for the Lakers, but my manager said he has a Clippers hat, and it's a Clippers home game, so I'm just gonna go for the Clippers. So I did this blue eyeliner to go with the Clippers theme. So I saw this trick on TikTok that you have to do this to really curl it. Okay. So I ordered an electric eyelash curler from Amazon, and I'm waiting for it to come in. I think it's supposed to come in tomorrow. So once it does, I'm gonna do a video over it. I literally have the straightest lashes known to mankind. I don't know why I did my bottom lashes before doing my makeup. Like, ugh! I'm not about to make the same mistake with this eye, so I'm not putting on the bottom mascara till I do my makeup. This is my first time doing a glam with this hair. I just got my hair done yesterday. So what do we think about it, by the way? I forgot to show y'all, I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. And you guys, I cannot stress this enough. This is the best concealer I have ever used. By the way, this video is not sponsored, so nothing in this is paying me. All right, so I like to put my concealer like on the parts that I want lighter and all that, and then I grab this, put some here to lift up the eye, obviously the contour, the nose, can't be having a double chin, nothing a little makeup can't hide. Spray the face, because by the time it's ready to blend, it's already getting a little dry. So, you know, you gotta spray in there to keep it moist. Y'all, this blush is literally game changer. Also, one thing I have found out about, like, I've noticed about these, like, blush sticks is always tap it on a brush and then put it on the face. Like, I used to put it on my face directly and then try to blend it, and it would honestly just take off my makeup. So, this is the trick. This Anastasia powder is giving me life. I'm going with a little bit of powder blush. You guys, I'm running out of time. Guys, this highlight from the ColourPop Harry Potter cosmetics collection is unmatched. I'll just come back with the final look. All right, you guys, so this is my final makeup look. What do we think? I love it. Oh, and for the lips, I'm using, oh my God, where did it go? The Tarte Maracuja, you guys. Bomb. Like for part 2 to help me choose my outfit.